Hello, I am Arnold. I am from Austria. My English was not good. My accent was strong. I came to America. I wanted to be a star. People said, "You can't. Your English is strange." I never gave up. I worked very hard. On my body and my mind, I learned to speak. I had a hard time. I forgot words all the time. It was a big problem, but I found a way. I will share my rules. 10 simple tips for you. They helped me win. They will help you too. These tips are easy. They helped me speak fast. They helped me feel good. They are made to last. This is my advice from my own life. A new voice for your life. A new strong feeling. Ready to be a winner. Ready to speak strong. Let's train your brain. You've come to the right place. I have a question. Did you forget a word? Tell me in the comments. Let's start this workout. My first big problem. Words were hard to remember. My brain would not connect. Like cold winter weather, I started to see things. Not just the word. A picture for everything. My new brain power. I saw a big clock. My word was clock. I learned it so fast. It worked very well. This is rule number 10. Connect words with pictures. My brain got very fast then. My new English treasures. Your brain remembers pictures. Better than just words. You learn the right structures. Like great, smart birds. So, look at your coffee. Say coffee in your mind. Look at your TV. New words you will find. This is a good way to train your brain. You get better every day and speak again. Your brain will get fast. You will have no fear. The new words will last. You will speak clear. See a big red apple. Say apple in your mind, like a strong muscle. A good new habit to find. So, start today. Look at what you see. This is the winning way. For you and for me. I forgot hard words. When I was speaking, I felt very stuck. My mind was seeking. I had to be fast. I had to be clear. People must understand me. Without any fear. I would say very tasty, not the word delicious. My movies got great. With this easy word flow. Rule number 9 is this. Use simple words. Do not stop talking now. Just keep making your sounds. People will still understand. You will feel very strong. They will give you a hand. You will not be wrong. If you forget huge, just say very big. This is a good way, like a winning trick. So, keep it easy. Keep it very clear. Your English will be smooth, with no more fear. Keep your talking strong. Do not let it stop. Your ideas will be long. You will reach the top. I did this to win, to be in every movie. A good new way to begin. And feel so good. So, choose easy words. You will be understood. This helps you be great, just as you should. I spent my days in the gym. I trained my body to be big and strong. Every single day, I did many workouts. To get big muscles, my body got very big. Then I had a big thought. My mouth is a muscle. My brain needs training. To speak and to hustle. My English was weak. My words were not ready. So I started to speak. Every day, with a steady mind. This is rule number 8. Speak every day. The best way to get great. To speak to all. Talk to a friend. Or talk to yourself. For just a few minutes. your new words on the shelf. Your brain will get fast. Your mouth will be strong. Your good words will last. You will not be wrong. It is like muscle memory. Your words just come out. It is a good story, with no fear and no doubt. The more you practice, the faster you will get. Your speaking is a contest. You must not quit. So, do not wait. Start speaking today. It is never too late. This is the winning way. I read many scripts for many good movies. My English was not good. My words were like puzzles. I did not learn one word. I learned whole sentences. A word by itself is hard, like big, lonely words. I learned, I'll be back. Not just the word back. My brain learned the full sound, and my talking got on track. This is rule number 7. Learn words in sentences. Your speaking will get better. No more silent moments. When you learn a new word, learn how to use it. Your speaking will be heard. Your brain will not quit. If you learn the word run, also learn, I will run today. Your brain will get the job done in a simple, winning way. Your speaking will be fast. You will remember more. The good words will last. You will have a good score. I had to learn my lines. They were all my sentences, like big, good signs. They gave me new fences. So, start today. Learn a full sentence. This is the winning way. My new good presents. I had many goals. For my life, to be a big star, to win my own fight. I wrote all my plans in a small notebook, my ideas and my dreams, with a close look. So I started a new thing, a notebook for my words. It felt like a new spring, like happy little birds. This is rule number 6. Keep a small notebook. It is one of my best tricks, my new easy book. When you learn a new word, write it in your book. Your brain will be good, and your mind will cook. Writing helps you remember. More than just reading, like fire from an ember. Your new words are feeding. I wrote about my day, my feelings and my plans. I wrote in a new way, like my own new fans. This helps you find words when you need to speak. Like a flock of good birds, you are at your peak. So, get a small notebook, write one sentence every day. Just take a little look. This is the winning way. My mind was a gym. I trained my body. But my mind needed a plan. To not feel so unsteady, I had a new idea. To use small cards, a word on one side, like training guards. This is rule number 5. Use flashcards. It keeps your brain alive. Your mind will feel new. Write the English word. On the front of the card, the meaning is heard. Or a picture on the back. Look at the cards. Every day for 5 minutes. This is not so hard. No time for limits. This small habit, it will help you a lot. Like a good rabbit, you win with a good thought. You will see new words, again and again. Like a flock of good birds. You are a good friend. Your brain will remember. New words so fast, like a burning ember. This good habit will last. So, get some small cards. Start today. It's not so hard. This is the winning way. I was in the movies. I wanted to be an actor. Had to learn from others. To be a good factor. I watched many movies. I listened to the talk. I heard the same words. Like a good walk. My brain learned the sounds. My brain learned the rhythm. The new words I found, like a big, good emblem. This is rule number 4. Watch and listen in English. Your brain will learn more. It's a good wish. Watch movies with subtitles. Listen to some songs. This helps your brain. Where the new words belong. When you hear a word, again and again, your brain will not be bored. It will say, Amen. This helps your mouth to feel the new words, like a good new south, like happy small birds. You will start to talk. You will feel so strong. Your English will not be stuck. You will not be wrong. I watched to be a star. I watched to get good. I came from so far, and now you understood. So, start today. Watch something in English. This is a winning way. My new good wish. My muscles got big. With hard repetition, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the condition. My brain is like a muscle. It needs repetition too, to not feel so weak, to be good and new. When I learned a new word, I did not just read it. I said it out loud. I did not just sit. This is rule number 3. Repeat and use new words. This is a good new key. A good new law. Say the new word 5 times. Say it in your sentences. Like bells and like chimes. No more silent fences. If you learn the word fast, say, I am fast. My car is fast. This good habit will last. Your brain will remember. The word will stick forever, like a burning ember. This is how to be clever. This helps you speak fast. It helps you feel strong. Your new words will last. You will not be wrong. I used this rule. To win my acting, I was not a fool. My words were acting. So, start today. Repeat your new words. This is the winning way. Like happy, new birds. I was on a movie set. The lights were very hot. I forgot my word. I did not know my spot. I felt a small fear. But I took a deep breath. I did not panic. I just thought for a bit. I explained in a new way, with other simple words. The director said, okay, like a big, happy bird. This is rule number 2. Stay calm. It is so good for you. It is like a new calm. Speaking is not perfect. It is about talking. People will connect and keep on rocking. If you forget umbrella, just say the rain thing. People will understand. Your words will sing. You will feel very strong. You will not be afraid. Your words will be long. Your talking will be made. I made many movies. My talking was not perfect. But I made the best movies, a good new big effect. So, take a deep breath. Find a different way. This is the new truth. You can do it today. My life is about winning. I wanted to be the best. I trained my body hard. I passed every test. I came to America. I wanted to be a star. My English was a problem, but I went so far. I trained my speaking, like I trained my body. Every day with good thinking, I was not so shoddy. My words got fast. My accent got better. The new good words last, like a good old letter. This is rule number 1. Constant action and training. This is how a race is won. A good new constant. Don't just think about it. You have to do it now. Every day, every minute. Make it happen somehow. Speaking is a muscle. You must use it. Win this tough tussle. Don't quit, don't sit. This is my secret. From the gym to the movies. My English is not perfect, but it still improves. So, go out and speak. Practice every day. Your voice will be strong. This is the winning way. What did you learn from Arnold's story? Which tip touched your heart the most? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you so much for watching. We're happy to be part of your journey. And always remember, train hard, speak strong, win big.